If you have an open port on your canister, remove the plug so you can attach your Isolite Pro to the chair. To do this, take your 6-inch HVE tubing and gently slide it onto the open port. You can soak it in hot water to soften it in the event that it's difficult to slide on. Next, connect the power vacuum base to the 6-inch HVE tubing, then plug the electrical connector onto the top of the power vacuum base and confirm the LED light is solid green. To connect the Isolite Pro control head hose, find the open port on the bottom of the power vacuum base. Align the connector onto the port and tighten the collar on the control head hose until it's firmly seated. Confirm the LED light is solid blue. Rack your Isolite Pro onto the toolbar. If you don't have an open port on your canister, remove the existing HVE hose and attach the 6-inch HVE tubing. You can soak it in hot water to soften the hose for easier placement. Connect the power vacuum base onto the 6-inch HVE tubing and seat it firmly. Now you can plug the electrical connector into the top of the power vacuum base and confirm the LED light is solid green. On the bottom of the power vacuum base, remove the screw cap and screw in the provided barb fitting onto the power vacuum base accessory port. Connect the existing HVE tubing onto the barb fitting. If the tubing is loose, you can cut 1 inch off the tube, then insert it onto the barb fitting. Rack your Isolite Pro control head on the toolbar and connect the control head hose to the power vacuum base by aligning the connector to the open port and tightening the collar until it's firmly seated. Confirm the LED light is solid blue. With the knob pointing to the left, you have suction for the Isolite Pro only. Turning the knob to the top will provide suction for the HVE line only. Turning the knob to the bottom will provide suction to both the Isolite Pro and the HVE line. Turning the knob to the X will shut off suction to both lines.